Hello students of class 12. Now today discuss the definite integral. Definite integral, we have discussed the problem of finding the area between by the graph of the function under the certain condition leads us to definite integral. We have discussed that problem of finding the area bounded by the graph of the function under the certain condition leads us to definite integral. Therefore, we have defined a to be fx dx. We have defined a to be fx dx as an area of the region bounded by the graph as the area of the region bounded by the graph of the function y equal to fx, y equal to fx, and x is equal to a and x is equal to b. A and b are the lower and upper limit of the function, and the area bounded by the graph through the limit and the x-axis So we integrate the function fx as ba, that's equal to fb minus fa. This is find two way of the area of bounded region by the graph of the given function. जो फंक्शन आपको दिया गया उस फंक्शन के आधार पर लिमिट a टू b fx dx, integration of fx as the capital Fx, b to a, substitute the value of lower and upper limit in the given result as fb minus fa. On the basis of this, we find the area of region. Now, evaluation of definite integral. Integral minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx, x plus 1 dx, that's equal to -1 to 1 x dx plus -1 to 1 dx as x square upon 2 1 minus 1 plus x 1 minus 1 1 square upon 2 minus 1 square upon 2 plus 1 minus 1. Therefore 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1, that cancel, that's equal to 2. So the result of that definite integral is equal to 2. Now next as the one to 2 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9 dx. Now if you simplify the given integrals, the given definite integral as separately, when you separate each part of the given integral as easy to calculation, so 1 to 2 x cube dx minus 5 1 to 2x square dx plus 6 x dx and plus 9 1 to 2 dx, that's equal to 4 x power 4 by 4 2 1 5 x power 3 by 3 2 1 plus 6 x square by 2 2 1 plus 9 x 2 1. So therefore 4 x 2 power 4 by 4 minus 1 power 4 by 4 minus 5 2 power 3 by 3 minus 1 power 3 by 3 plus 6 2 power 2 by 2 minus 1 power 2 by 2 plus 9 2 minus 1 4 minus 1 by 4 5 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 6 2 minus 1 by 2 और +9, 4 into 15/4 minus 5 into 7/3 plus 6 into 3/2 और +9 इक्वल टू 4 से 4 कैंसिल, 2 3 या 6, सो 15 minus 35/3 plus 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 18 plus 15 equal to 33, 33 minus 35 by 3, 33 minus 35/3, that's equal to 99 minus 35/3, that's equal to 64/3. 64/3 as the result of given expansion. Clear? Okay. Next as the cos 2x 0 to pi/2, 0 to pi/2 cos 2x dx, cos 2x dx, that's equal to integral of cos 2x sin 2x upon 2, 0 to pi/2. Now 1/2 sin 2 into pi/2 minus sin 2 into 0, 1/2 sin pi minus sin 0, that's equal to 1/2 into 0 equal to 0. So the integral of cos 2x equal to sin 2x by 2, the value of sin pi is 0 and the value of sin 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0 and 1/2 into 0 equal to 0. Clear? Next part. Integral 2 to 3 dx upon x square minus 1. It can be written as 2 to 3 1 upon x square minus 1 square dx. Integral of that function equal to 1/2 log x minus 1 upon x plus 1, 1/2 log x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Two to 3 and 1 by 2 log 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 log 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 1 by 2 log 2 by 4 minus 1 by 2 log 1 by 3 1 by 2 as a common and log 1 by 2 minus log 1 by 3. This can be written as 1 by 2 log 1 by 2 upon 1 by 3 and equal to 1 by 2 log 3 by 2. This is the solution of the given integration. This is the solution of given integration. Clear? Next question. Next question. 0 to pi by 4 0 to pi by 4 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2 dx. Now separate the integral 0 to pi by 4 sec square x dx plus x cube dx 0 to pi by 4 plus 2 0 to pi by 4 dx and 2 tan x pi by 4 0 plus x power 4 by 4 pi by 4 0 plus 2 x pi by 4 0 2 tan pi by 4 minus tan 0 2 tan pi by 4 minus tan 0 plus pi by 4 power 4 upon 4 minus 0 power 4 upon 4 2 pi by 4 minus 0. So that's equal to 2 into 1 plus pi by 4 upon 1024 plus pi by 2. Now equal to 2 plus pi by 4 upon 1024 plus pi by 2. Clear? Okay.